第59页阅读测验，战争美食点点名。
Wartime recipes. There are all kinds of recipes from around the world. Many are for making delicious and expensive gourmet food, but others have a more practical, less expensive origin. Included in this latter category are those that can be classified as wartime food, or at least are related to conflicts between nations. Croissant. Let's start with an iconic French pastry called a croissant. The most interesting origin story states it is not a French creation, but an Austrian one. According to that legend, the Turks attempted to invade Vienna in 1683 by tunneling under the city's walls. Apparently, alert bakers heard the enemy digging and sounded the alarm, which allowed soldiers to defeat the invaders. Afterwards, to celebrate the victory, Austrian bakers made a pastry that looked like the crescent moon, which appeared on the Ottoman flag. Budae jjigae. Meanwhile, a more recent recipe was the result of the 1950-53 Korean War. Called budae jjigae, army stew, this meal was developed shortly after the Korean War, when food was difficult for Koreans to acquire. Koreans secretly took food such as hot dogs, Spam, cheese, and canned baked beans from U.S. military bases in South Korea to help their relatives and friends. Over time, these ingredients were cooked with Korean food like kimchi and instant noodles along with vegetables, and budae jjigae was born. Taco rice. Still another interesting recipe owes its creation to the Second World War, at least indirectly, although it didn't appear until the 1980s. A mixture of American and Japanese cuisines, taco rice was developed when a restaurant owner in Okinawa wanted to tempt more U.S. soldiers who were stationed in Okinawa after World War II to eat at his establishment. He mixed ground beef, lettuce, and tomatoes with sauce and served it on a bed of rice. It soon became a hit.